In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step how to set up your TP-Link Archer AX90 Wi-Fi 7 router from your PC or laptop for the very first time. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect the Wi-Fi router. First, connect your modem to the router's one port using an Ethernet cable. Then, connect the power adapter to the router and press the power button to turn it on. Wait until router LED light turns solid. Step 2. Connect your PC or laptop to the router. Using either another Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi, connect your PC or laptop to the router. You can find the default Wi-Fi network name SSID and password on the label at the back of your router. Step 3. Access the router's web interface. Open a web browser on your PC or laptop, and in the address bar, type 192.168.0.1 or http://tplinkwifi.net, then press enter. Create a strong password when prompted to secure your router's admin panel for the first-time login. Internet WAN settings. Once you logged in, go to Internet tab from top menu. Now select WAN port 2.5G or 1G where Internet cable connected. Select your WAN connection type from static IP, PPPoE, or dynamic and provide Internet settings. If you're not sure about your Internet type, get Internet settings from your Internet service providers. After all settings, press Save button. Step 5. Set up wireless settings. Now go to Wireless tab from top menu. If you want use same SSID name for both bands, enable Smart Connect. Or create different SSID name for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, just uncheck Smart Connect options. Change SSID and Wi-Fi password for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and save settings. You can also enable guest network. Select Wi-Fi band you want enable guest network. Create SSID, Wi-Fi name and password for guest network. After all settings, press Save button to confirm all wireless settings. After wireless configuration, connect all your Wi-Fi device again with new Wi-Fi name and password. That's it. You've successfully set up your TP-Link Archer AX90 Wi-Fi 7 router. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.